When should an investor consider investing in a NFO? When should they avoid? What is the solution for this confusion? Financial expert Mr. Guru Raj will elaborate on this. Guru Raj, over to you.
When to consider NFO, first I need to understand how it is different from the existing schemes. For example, if there are 10 multi-cap funds in the market and there is another NFO in a multi-cap fund, I will ask myself, boss, why should I not invest in existing NFO rather than, I mean, existing multi-cap funds rather than this NFO? Then that time somebody will come and tell me, boss, the current multi-cap funds are all NAV is 20 rupees. Here you will get it at 10 rupees. Boss, that is illogical. Why? Because it is not 10 or 20 NAV. What is important is the performance of the fund, right? If it is going to be another multi-cap fund, I will as well go and buy a 20 rupee multi-cap fund, which has proved its performance, right? 10 has become 20 in that, it has proved itself, right? So I'm not going to invest in the NFO thinking that I'm going to get at 10 rupees, right? So that is the first criterion I will look at when it comes to NFO. Second is, if it is going to be different, say for example, somebody has launched a quant fund today, right? Now, quant fund has a different style of selecting stocks, right? The fund manager's role may not be there. So that is something, a different product altogether. Maybe some part of my portfolio can go into it, right? Or somebody comes and tells me, boss, I'm going to invest in Chinese market today, right? Now, that could be a portfolio diversification for me. So I'll probably, if it is an NFO, I will go and invest because I'm getting a portfolio diversification. So these are the reasons where I will look at NFO, not because it is available at 10 rupees. Yeah.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubts regarding this or any other financial decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial experts. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.